The President is delighted with that latest ranking of the Philippines in relation to its upholding the press freedom. Okay, it shows that the President respects one's rights of expression and the responsible journalism. So maganda pong ito po ay maganda po na naipapakita ng Pangulo na the President is not gearing towards dictatorship. Malaya po ang pamamahayag na nakikita po natin sa kasalukuyan.
Ma-follow up lang po. How can the present administration, particularly the Presidential Communications Office and other relevant agencies, ensure that that the rights of media workers in the country are upheld and recognized? Lalo na po't kamakailan, unfortunately, may napas lang pong isang veteranong mamamahayag.
Katulad po, noong pa pong 2024, ipinangako naman po ng Pangulo. And I quote, ang sabi po ng Pangulo, "Be assured that we are doubling down on our commitment to protect our journalists and to uphold press freedom. We stand with you, hand in hand, in this fight." So hanggang ngayon po, 2024 po yan sinabi ng ating Pangulo. At ngayon po ay nakita niyo po ang nagiging resulta. Paiigtingin pa po ng ating Pangulo, ng administrasyon, ang kalayaan sa pamamahayag. Asahan niyo po yan.